Hi there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be showing you around one of our used cars for sale. This is the Toyota CHR VVT-h GR Sport model. It's got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine and comes in automatic transmission. The main body of the vehicle is finished in this really nice white, but you do have black highlights throughout, including your roof. The colours combined with the inclusion of a spoiler do give it quite a sporty look for an SUV, which is nice. Headlights are super easy to use thanks to the auto function, so you'll never worry about them not being on. Your brake lights are LEDs, so they're super bright, you'll get great visibility. Here's a close look at your 19-inch black machine alloy wheels. The boot is packing plenty of space, but you do have 60/40 fold down seats should you need more. Your rear interior is nice and spacious, you'll be able to spot the GR stitching as well, just gives it a bit of colour. You've also got ISO fixed points for those with small children, and some storage on the back of your front seats. Here's a close look at some of the interior detailing. Smart keyless entry means you'll have no trouble getting into the front of the vehicle. You can see you've got front sport seats with the GR branding. You do have a cloth upholstery, so it's super comfortable. Taking a close look at your leather multifunction steering wheel now. So you've got volume and channel control as well as your hands-free options. And now coming over to the right, you've got your cruise control as well as your driver display settings. As you can see, various pieces of information about the vehicle can be found here. Your touchscreen display comes packed with features. You do also have these quick buttons here if you don't want to use the touchscreen. Some of the features shown here, so you've got DAB radio, nav, the ability to connect via Bluetooth to use your own audio or phone through hands-free. You've also got plenty of settings to customise. These can also be accessed from the home screen. You do have access to a dual zone climate control system, it's really easy to navigate. You can also set it to auto, and you even have front heated seats. That's going to be really great for you in winter. Underneath your climate control you do have an HDMI port as well as a cup holder. Electronic park brakes, super easy to toggle on and off. You've also got your EV mode. You do have some nice centre storage here as well. There is also a 12-volt socket there. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, feel free to call on 01204 786 591.